Hi, this is Guy from the Carpet Cleaning Guy. We're currently on site at Church Hall in Gillingham. We've been asked to strip, seal and polish this vinyl tiled floor. So the hall is in use daily for a number of clubs such as nurseries. And there's quite a big restoration they're doing, so they're getting new curtains, etc. for the stage. So what we're going to be doing, we're going to be stripping the floor, rinsing, neutralising the floor, and then rinsing that off as well. Getting the floor nice and dry, applying a couple of coats of sealer with drying time in between. Once that's thoroughly dry, we'll then be applying a couple of coats of a gloss finish. And what that will do, that will prevent any slippages and give it a nice new lease of life. And hopefully the customer will be very happy. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to stop filming now and I'll show you the results of when we're finished. Okay, so the floor's been stripped, rinsed, neutralised, rinsed again, and had 2 coats of a sealer applied. So that's just dried off, and now I'm about to apply a couple of coats of a gloss finish. So we'll see what it looks like when it's done. Okay, so that's all done, and I've got to say it's a massive transformation from when we arrived this morning. The floor is absolutely spotless. It's been sealed, it's been polished. That's just drying off and it'll be ready for use first thing in the morning. Okay, so we've returned the following day just to check the floor, just to make sure everything's dried okay. And it's dried really, really nicely. It's got some nice grip to the floor, it's got a nice sheen, and it's now ready to hand back to the customer. So if you have any hard floors at home or even in an office area, feel free to give us a call on 01634 790 417 or drop me an email to guy@thecarpetcleaningguy.co.uk.